Example, sir. For example, we are writing like this: select 2 care of. Okay, I am giving 1, 2, 3 here. This 1, 2, 3 is which type? 1, 2, 3 is which type now? Number type. Number we are passing as the argument. Passing format is optional. So now this number will be converted to the string now from dual. So this function gives result as 123. This 123 result is string here. This 123 result is string type. So similarly, we are writing select 2 care of 123.45 we are giving. 123.45 is the number. That number will be converted to the string and it gives result as 123.45. This is the string type. So we are converting number to string. We are converting number to string. So to convert number to the string, we are using this. I am opening our batch schema. C # Oracle 9 AM. Oh, Naresh IT. Observe here. See, we are writing like this: select. This 123 is which type? 123 is which type? Number type. I want to convert to the string type. Which function we have to use? 2 care. So 2 care of 123 we are giving. What is the result it will give now? What is the result it will give? 123 only. But this 123 is which type now? String type. This 123 is the string type now. Now this 123 is string type. We are passing number. This number converted to the string and it is giving result as the string. Sometimes we need to convert number to the string. At that time it is useful. For example, I am giving number as 123.45. This 123.45 which type? Number type. That number type will be converted to the string type. So it gives 123.45 string here. This is string. Whatever the result given by the 2 care is what? String. Now, okay. For example, here there is one column is there, or otherwise there is one value is there, 5,000 values there. For 5,000 value, I want to apply the currency symbol dollar, or otherwise here salary column is there. Observe here salary values are there. So for these salary values, I want to apply the dollar symbol, currency symbol. So $10,560, $2,429, $6,567. Can we store dollar symbol in this salary column? Can we store dollar symbol in this salary column? No, because dollar is what? Character. Salary column can hold only numbers. 0 to 9 digits only it accepts. Does it accept symbols like dollar? No. So that's why we cannot store currency symbols in the salary column if we take this as the number type. So all these are the numbers. So if we want to get the symbols like this, we need to convert this number to the string type. So to convert this string to the number, to convert this number to the string, we have to use 2 care function. For example, I'm writing like this: select. My requirement is for 5,000 value, I want to display 5,000.00 dollar. Like this, I want to display. This is my requirement. For 5,000 value, dollar I want, 2 decimal places I want. So for this, select 2 care of number is what? 5,000. So dollar is what? Currency symbol or currency name? Currency symbol. So to get the currency symbol, which format we have to use? L. To get the digits, which format we have to use? Nines. Okay. So these only. To get the decimal point, what we have to use? Dot. Now these only we are using here. Okay. So I am telling the format as L. L means currency symbol, $L. Next, how 4 digits we want. So for digit, which format we have to tell? 9. 4 nines. Next we want point. So write point here. Next we want 2 zeros digits. So write 2 nines. This is the format we are telling here. Okay. So now this 5000 number will be converted to this string. So to apply the currency symbols, it is useful. Okay, so it gives $5000.00. Observe here. Our requirement is for 5000 rupees salary, we want to apply currency symbol dollar and one decimal point 00. We want to display like this. This is our requirement. So we want to convert this number type to this character type, string type. So for this, we need to use toChar function. So toChar of value is 5000. 5000 is the number. This number we want to apply currency symbols here. So for symbol, we specify the format L. Next digits we want 4 digits we want. So 9999. Next we want one decimal point. So write decimal point. Next again 2 digits we want. So write 99. That's it. So this format we are specifying from dual. So what it is giving, observe here, $5000.00 it is giving. So in such type of situations, to apply the currency symbols or currency names, we need to convert number to the string, because number cannot hold the characters like dollars. Number data type cannot hold the symbols. So that's why we need to convert to the character type. No, we want to get currency names, or we want to get currency name. So USD means what? USD means what? US dollar. US dollar 5000.00, like this we want. What we have tried? Select toChar of 5000, comma, currency name. For currency name, which format we have to use? C. Next, how many digits we want? 4. 4 nines we are giving. Okay. Next, dot we want. Decimal point. Next, 2 digits we want. Sorry. Just a minute. So 0.99 we are giving. So this is the format we are giving from DL. Okay. Observe here what it is giving now. USD. USD is what? Currency name. Okay. 5000 salary, decimal places also we are getting. Decimal point and decimal places. Okay. Now we want to get 1000 separator. To get 1000 separator, here after first 9, what I am giving? Comma from dual. Observe here. Here 5000, in the 5000 comma we are getting. Observe. In the previous example, comma is not there. So here comma is there. So to get comma, to get 1000 separator, we are giving comma here. So with this, you can understand that in the format place, for currency name, write C. For currency name, write C. For currency symbol, write L. For digit, 9. For decimal point, dot. For 1000 separator, comma. So like this, we need to use the format. Okay. My explanation is not over. After my explanation, if you have any doubts, you can ask. See. Now my requirement is, I want to apply the currency symbols for the salary column. So display all employee records with salaries. Display all employee records, okay, among with salaries. So including salaries we want to display. So apply currency symbol dollar. Apply currency symbol dollar. This is our requirement. Apply currency symbol dollar, and we want to get decimal places also. This is our requirement. So what we have to write? By default, salary column has no symbols because salary is which type? Number type. So ename comma salary from EMP. So now salary is number type. Number type cannot hold the symbols. That's why we are not specifying any dollar or rupees, anything. We're not specifying. If you want to maintain the currency symbol, take this as the character type, not as the number type. Okay. So now this is the number type. We want to apply currency symbol dollar for this data. So for this, what we have to write? We write like this: select ename, comma. For salary, we want to apply the symbols, currency symbol. So which function we have to call now? To char. For which column? Salary column. Which format we want? Currency symbol we want. Now the question is, how many nines we have to write? For example, if 5000 value is there, 5000.00 is if our requirement, so we have written 49s.99 we have written. But now in the salary column, which values are there? We don't know. Now how many nines we have to write, sir? How many nines we have to write is, this will be decided based on the declaration of that column. Observe here, describe. Let me decrease the line size as 30. I'm setting line size as 30. Describe EMP. Observe the salary column. The salary column data type is what? Number data type. What is the precision? Okay, 7,2. So total number of digits are, how many nines we need to write? How many nines we need to write? 7 nines we need to write. How many decimal places we want? 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, okay, 2. Like this. Okay, so how many nines we need to write? 7 nines we need to write. How many decimal places we want? 2 decimal places we want. So before 2 nines, write down. So 5 nines.99 we have to write. So tomorrow you may declare this with 8,2. If 8,2 is there, if 8,2 is there, how many nines we need to write? 8 nines we need to write. Okay, how many decimal places we want? 2. So 6 nines.99. Like this we have to write. So this how many nines we need to write, that will be decided based on precision and scale. Okay, so if 5000.00 we want, okay, so we are deciding based on this value. So here total 6 digits are there. So 6 nines we are writing, and 2 decimal places are there. 0.99 we are writing. So 4 nines.99 we are writing. But here in the salary column, how many, what are the salary values we don't know. So at that time, how many nines we need to write, sir? Based on salary column, precision and scale. Salary column they declared as 7,2. So how many nines we have to write? 7 nines we have to write. How many decimal places we want? 2 decimal places we want. Okay. So as we are giving alias name as salary, from which table? EMP table. Observe now, I'm copying this. See here. Just a minute. So select employee number, employee name. So for salaries, we want to get symbol. So salary comma, to get the symbol, format is L. How many nines we need to write? 7 nines. 7 nines, 2 decimal places. So after 5 nines dot 99. Okay. So for this we are giving alias name as salary from which table? From EMP table. Okay. So let me set the line size here. See here. Observe. It is displaying the salary values. Observe here for salary values. It is displaying. See dollar symbol. It is displaying dollar and 0.00 also. Observe here. Previously, it was not displaying dot zero zeros, but now it is displaying dot zero zeros and currency symbols. So we can apply currency formats like this by using toChar function. Now we want to get currency names now. So to get currency names, display all employee records with salaries, apply currency name. So apply currency name. Currency name we want to get. Currency name is what? USD. So what we have tried? Select employee number, e-name, comma, to get salary values with currency names. We have to use toChar function, salary, comma, to get currency name. Which format we have to use? C. How many nines we have to write? 7 nines. Okay. How many decimal places we want? 2 decimal places. And we want to get 1000 separator also. What we have to write? After 99, write comma. That is a 1000 separator. Okay, we want to give alias name as salary from which table? From EMP table we are retrieving. So this is the query we are writing. It gives currency symbols. Sorry, currency names. It gives currency names. I'm copying this. Observe here. Sorry, here single quote not terminated here. See what it is displaying. Observe here. Currency name, what it is displaying? State is displaying. Here we are getting 1000 separator. See 1897, 10,560, 1000 separator we are getting, 2 decimal places we are getting. So this is the way of getting currency names. So to get currency names, what we are using? C. To get the digits, what we are using? 9. To get the 1000 separator, what we are using? Comma. To get decimal point, dot. To get the currency symbol, L. So these formats we have to use. So yesterday we have seen date formats. Today we are seeing number formats. Okay, so to convert the number to the string, we can use toChar function. These formats we can use. Now, okay, L means default currency symbol, it is giving dollar. Okay, C means default currency name, it is giving USD, US dollar. So can we change this currency symbol, sir? Okay, so default currency symbol is what? Dollar. Default currency name is USD, US dollar. So can we change this, sir? Yes, we can change. So to change the currency symbol and currency names, we have to use 2 parameters. Those 2 parameters are to change currency name and currency symbol. We need to set 2 parameters. What are those 2 parameters, sir? Those are, first one is NLS underscore territory. Second one is NLS underscore currency. NLS underscore territory, NLS underscore currency. Okay, so these 2 parameters we need to set. We need to change to apply the currency name and currency symbol. So what is the default NLS underscore territory value, sir? Default NLS underscore territory value is America. Oracle software developed by the Americans. This is America company. So by default, it supports to dollar, and default NLS underscore territory value is America. And NLS underscore currency value is default NLS underscore currency value is dollar. So we need to change these two parameters. For example, if we want to get pounds, okay, UK pounds, if you want to get UK pounds, we have to write like this. So to change the parameter value, we use one command. What is that one? Alter. So after alter, either we write session or we write system. Either we write session or system. When we write session, what is the meaning of this one, sir? Session means we are logging in and we are working with the database. We are working with the database. Okay, and we are logging out. This span of time we are calling as one session. We are logging in. This is called one session. For this one session only, that will be applicable if we write alter session. If we write alter system, permanently it will be modified. Alter system means permanently it will be modified. Alter session means for this session only it will be modified. Once you log out, it will be changed. But remember, these two parameters, for these two parameters, we cannot change permanently. They designed it like that. Temporarily we can change. So temporarily we are changing like alter. Okay. So session, for session only we can apply it. You cannot use system here. System means permanently it will change. Permanently you cannot change. For session only you can change. So alter session set NLS underscore territory value. First we have to set. What is our requirement? We want to get pounds. So for UK, currency is pound. So NLS underscore territory. Country name we are giving as United Kingdom, UK. United Kingdom we are giving. So country name is United Kingdom. And we want to set currency symbol. So alter session set NLS underscore currency. This currency value we want to give as pound. In OneNote, I'm using OneNote here. So in these symbols are there in the insert. So from here, I can use pound symbol. This is a symbol for pound. Whenever you are practicing, if you want the symbols from the internet, you can search and you can copy that character in the Oracle. Or from in the MS Word also, these symbols are available. From MS Word, you can take the symbols by using insert symbol option. Or simply in the Google, you can search for the symbol, copy that character and paste in the Oracle. When you are practicing, if you want currency symbols, in the Google, you can search for symbols and copy here. That's it. This is the way of changing the currency symbol. But who can change, sir? Only database administrator can change. So log in as database administrator. So for database administrator, what is the username? System. Password is at the time of Oracle installation, you are giving this password. In my system, that is Naresh Shetty. So log in as database administrator and change these two parameters. One parameter is LLS underscore territory, default value America, we are changing as United Kingdom. NLS underscore currency, default value is dollar, we are changing as pound. And tomorrow, if you want Japanese currency, so Japan's currency is what? Yen. Okay. So here NLS underscore territory value give as Japan and give N symbol here. So N symbol is available in the insert symbol. I'm inserting N symbol here. So and this is N symbol. So like this, based on our requirement, we can change the currency names. To change currency name, we give country name. By default, it takes a currency name. And to get the currency symbol, NLS underscore currency we have to set. So let me show it. Observe. See. So first login as database administrator. For database administrator, what is the username? System. And password is narrating. So now current user is database administrator. You can check by using show user. Current user is system. Now I want to see all parameters list. Just observe here what we are writing here. What we are writing? Show parameters. Show parameters means it will display all parameters to us. All default parameter values it will display. So here NLS, N, these are in alphabetical order. So NLS underscore territory. NLS stands for National Language Specification. NLS stands for National Language Specification. This NLS territory, the declared as string. What is the default value? Observe here. America. So America is the default value. So NLS underscore territory default value is America. Okay. Next. Next. NLS underscore currency. NLS underscore currency default value is dollar. So NLS underscore currency default value is what? Dollar. So we want to change this one. Okay. So to change this, which command we have to use? Alter. For this session only we want to apply. So write alter session set. Which value we want to set? NLS underscore territory. As of now, what is NLS underscore territory value? America. We are changing this as United Kingdom. Okay. So session altered. Next, we want to change the currency symbol. What we have to write? Alter session set and NLS underscore currency equals to, I'm giving currency symbol as pound. I'm copying from here. So this pound character I'm copying. Observe. So what it is telling? Session altered. Now observe show parameters I'm typing. Show parameters I'm typing. And in this, just change it or not, just observe here. NLS underscore currency value, just now we modified. Now what is the symbol? Pound symbol. Previously, what was the symbol here? Dollar. Now what is the symbol? Pound. So it is modified. Next, NLS underscore territory. NLS underscore territory. Previous value was what? America. Now United Kingdom. Modified. But this is applicable for this session only. Okay. So now I'm writing like this. Select to care of I'm giving number as 5,000. I want to get currency symbol. What we use? L. Okay. So 4 nines we want and dot 2 nines we want from dual we are writing. So what it is giving? Observe here. Which symbol it is giving? Pound symbol it is giving. Okay. Next. See. Instead of using L here, I am using C. C means currency name. Okay. Now it gives currency name. Observe here. From dual. So what it is giving? See here. GBP. So GBP means Great Britain pound. Great Britain pound. So this is the currency name. So To get currency name, we are using C here. And to get currency symbol, we are using L. Observe here, previously it was giving dollar, now it is giving pound. Previously it was giving USD, now it is giving GBP. So like this, we can change. Okay. So if you want to apply rupees, just give NLS underscore territory value as India. So our this rupee character is not recognized by Oracle software. So we have to give symbol as RS only. We have to give symbol as RS. Okay. That's it. So this is about to-char function. To-char function is over. To-char function can be used for two purposes. Using to-char function, we can convert date value to the string and number range to apply different date formats like US date format, India date format. At that time, we are using to-char function. If you want to apply currency symbols and currency names, at that time we are using to-char function. So to-char function can be used for two purposes: to convert date to string and number to the string. So to-char function is over. Next function is what? To date. So next function is to date function. This to date function is used to convert string to date. So if we want to convert string to the date, we can use this to date function. So the syntax here is, the syntax to use this to date function is, we write to date of, we pass one string value, and sometimes based on our requirement, we specify the format here. We specify the format. That's it. For example, we are writing like this. Select to-char of, I'm writing like this. 25 December 2019, I'm writing from dual. Observe here. Now here, 25 December 2019, which data type? If anything specified in the single quotes, that is which type? String type. Sorry, not to-char. I'm sorry, to date. Not to-char, to date. To date. Okay, observe here. This 25 December 2019. Now this is which type now? String type. This string value we are converting to the date value here. 25 December 2019. So pay attention and listen carefully here. Listen, I want to talk some important points here. Listen. So here we are giving date value, we are giving string value. The string value will be converted to the date. So default date format of Oracle is what? Default date format of Oracle is what? DD-MONRR. NLS underscore date format. NLS underscore date format. Observe here. What is the date format? Observe. NLS underscore date format is DD-MON-RR. This one also we can change. Same in the previous way. Okay. So DD-MON-RR. This is the default Oracle date format. That reason it is returning date 2 digits, short month name, and year 2 digits. It is returning. It returns like this. RR. RR means year 2 digits. So here this is the string value. The string value converted to the date, and it is giving it. For example, I am writing like this. Select to date of 25 December. I am writing full month name. I am writing 2019. I am writing. So if we write like this here, 25 December 2019, this one is which type? String type. That string will be converted to the date type from dual. But sometimes it may not identify the format. For example, if you're writing like this, select to date of, we are writing December 25, December 25 2019 we are writing. If we write like this, it gives error. So why it gives error, sir? Because it is not understanding this format. Okay, so if you are giving date value like this, here this is the string. So in this 25 is the date, this December is the date 2 digits, month 3 characters, this 2019 is the year. So that can understand this string value. So that is converting to, that is understanding the string value, and that is returning 25 December 19 again. But when we are writing like this, this format cannot be understood by the Oracle. So that's why it is giving error. So to avoid this problem, we need to pass second argument. We have to tell that this December is month. Okay. And this 25 is the date. Okay. And 2019 is the year. Like this, we need to tell the format. These formats you already know. We discussed. So now it returns 25 December 19. You can check here, observe. So now let me log in as Oracle 9 a.m. Narrating. So observe here, we are writing like this, select to date of 25 December 2019 I am giving from dual. Observe here what it is telling, 25 December 19 it is giving. So we are passing which value here? String. That string converted to the date. Now this returned value is which type? Date type. Okay. Next. For example, we are writing like this, 25 December, comma 2019. Like this we are giving from DL. Like this we are writing. So now also what it is giving? 25 December 19. What we are passing here? String. That string converted to the date. For example, the same thing I am writing like this. Okay, December 25 2019 I am writing from dual. So what it is telling? It is giving some error. A non-numeric character found like this, it is giving some error. So in the beginning, it is expecting some number. So it is not started with number. So it is not understanding this format. But now in this style, I want to give the string and I want to convert this to the date type. In such type of situations, we have to tell the format. This December is which format? MON format. 25 is which format? DD format. 2000 format we are telling here. So this December is MON format. 25 is DD. Okay. 2019 is year 4 digits. Okay. From dual, observe now what it is giving. 25 December 19 it is giving. In such type of situations, we have to pass this second argument. Okay. Now, next. For example, we are writing like this. Select. So for all select from dual common, just I'm writing 2 char here. Sorry, 2 date here. So 2 date of a date value is there, 25 12 2019. Okay, if we write like this, it gives error. If you write like this, it gives error. Observe here, select to date of, like this we are giving, it is giving error. Observe why it is giving error, because it is not understanding this format. So we have to tell the format now. So how we tell the format? Comma, first 25 is what? Date 2 digits. 12 is what? Month 2 digits. 2019 is what? Year 4 digits. So like this we have to tell the format. So now what it returns now? 25 December 2019 it returns. Okay, so like this we can use. Just a minute. Okay, so this is a way of using to date function. So here this format cannot be understood by the Oracle. We have to tell the format. For example, I'm using US format. Here in the US format, date is there 12/25/2019. So what is first 12 here? Month. Okay, 25 is date, 2019 is year. So here 4 digits we're telling. So now what it returns now? Same 25 December 19 it returns. So like this we have to tell the format. Observe here, those only I'm writing. So comma, what is the format here? DD/MM/YYYY. Okay, from dual. So what it is giving? Observe here, 25 December 2019 it is giving. So this whatever the value we are giving, this is what? String. The string we are converting to the date. Next, the same thing I'm writing like this 12/25/2019. Now this is US format, this is the string. The string we are converting to the date. Here we have to tell the format here. First 12 is what? MM. Next 25 is what? DD. Next YYY. From dual. Observe here, it is returning 25 December to 19. So to see the sample data file I already provided to you. Okay, so here create table. For creating EMP table query is there. Employee records, observe here. To insert the hire date value, which function they are using? To date. So to date function he is using, and he is giving 17 December 1980, and that format he is telling. For example, I am creating one table here. I'm creating one table, create table. I'm giving table name as date demo. First field I'm taking, F1 field I'm taking as date data type. I want to insert the date values now. So to insert the date values, I'm inserting like this, insert into date demo values. So I'm giving one value here. Okay, like 17 November 2018 I'm giving. Like this I'm giving. Okay, so now this is one way of inserting date value. Observe carefully here, whatever the value we are giving, this is which type now? String type. So string value we are giving. Implicitly the string will be converted to the date type. This is called what? This is called what? Implicit conversion. So Oracle company is suggesting that don't depend on implicit conversion, because for implicit conversion we have written some programs. Those programs they may remove or they may change the coding. At the time we will get problem. So that's why to insert the date value, it's better to use to date function. Another way, insert into table name is what? Date demo values. So to insert the date value, which function we are using now? To date of whatever the format you want. In any format you can give now. For example, I am giving Indian format. Indian format I am using now. I am using like this 17/11/2018 I am giving. So in this 17 is which value? Date 2 digits. 11 is month 2 digits. Okay, 2018 is year 4 digits. So like this, you can insert not only the default Oracle format, in any format you can insert now. So to insert the date value, which function we are using here? To-date function. The convention is it's better to use to-date function. If you want to give default Oracle format, no need to tell the format. Okay, just simply write 17 or change date I'm changing. I'm giving 28 August 2017. So this format can be understood by the Oracle. So you have no need to specify the format again. It's simply to-date of, give the date value. Like this you can give. If you are using another format, you have to tell the format. So like this, to insert the date value, we are using which function? To-date function. So this is what now, this is which type value? String value. The string value will be converted to the date value by whom? By this to-date function. Here 28 August 2017 is which type value? String value. The string value will be converted to the date value by whom? To date. String value to the date value. So in such type of situations, it is useful. See, observe here. If any table is there with the name date demo, I'm dropping that one. No table is there. I'm creating the table. Observe. Create table. Table name is date demo. We are taking one field here. F1. Which type? Date type. So we want to insert the values here. So the first way of inserting date values, observe, insert into, what is the table name? Date demo values. I'm giving a values as 25 December 2019. So date demo values 25-December 2019 I'm giving. Okay, does it insert the record now? Does it insert the record? Yes. Okay, so it is inserting the record. Next, we are writing like this. So this is called implicit conversion. What is happening here? Implicitly, the string converted to the date value. This is implicit conversion. Next, here we are calling to-date function. To-date function we are calling. So I'm changing date value as 15 August 2015 I'm giving, or 2018 I'm giving. So now does it insert this record? Does it insert this record? Yes. So this format can be understood by the Oracle. So Oracle is inserting the record. Observe. For example, we are inserting like this. So to-date of, I'm giving date value as 23/10 means October 2017 I'm giving. Now does it insert the record? Not a valid month it is telling. This format it is not understanding. So to tell that format, what we are writing here? To-date of 23/10/2017. Which format? DD MM YYYY format we are telling. So DD MM YYYY format we are telling. Now does it insert the record now? Yes. What to create it. So like this, in any format you can insert the date value by using to-date function. So to insert the date value, it's better to use to-date function. We cannot give date value directly. If we give date value like this, it is converting the string to the date value implicitly. Here we are converting the string value to the date value explicitly. That's it. Okay, we cannot give date value directly. Conversion is required. That may be implicit or explicit. For explicit conversion, we use toDate function. Okay, now see some more examples. My requirement is, so I want to display the year from today's date. Okay, extract year. Okay, display the year from today's date. What we have tried? What we have tried? My request to you all is, if you don't have interest, please don't come to the class. Okay, you are here means you have to learn something, you have to practice something. Okay, why are you wasting your time here? Don't neglect the Oracle. So in real time, this work is useful for database connectivity. How can you write the queries and how can you retrieve the data? And for interview purpose also, they ask the questions from database. If 60% questions they are asking from Java, 40% questions they ask from database. As a programmer, we should have database knowledge. I am losing interest on your batch. If I lose interest on your batch, I reduce the examples, I reduce the subject. So yesterday we discussed it. From the date, how can you get the year? So much time we spent, nearly 45 minutes we discussed this part only. Still you are unable to answer. First one, that one only. We started with that example only. 2 char of sys date comma y. We will get year part from the date. So from today's date, if you want to get year, we write like this. Like that. From specific date, I want to get the year. Display the year part from specific date. How can we get year part from specific date? Observe here. For example, there is one date is there. 25 December 2019. This year part we want to get. So to get year part from this, 2 char of, observe, what is the date value? 25 December 2019. 25 December 2019. From this, we want to get year 4 digits. If we write like this, it will give error. Why it gives error, sir? Because this type is what? String type. But this first argument, which argument we have to pass? Date we have to pass. So that is expecting date argument. You are passing string argument here. That's why it is giving error. So to avoid this problem, we have to convert this string to the date. So to convert string to the date, we are using one function. That function name is toDate function. So using toDate function, we are converting the string to the date here, and from that we are extracting the year value. So sysdate is returning current system date. So this is date type only, no problem. But here, this is which type? String type. That string we have to convert to the date type. Next. From the same date, I want to get weekday name. Okay. So, or otherwise, sometimes interviewer may ask like this. Listen. Okay. So, on which weekday India got independence? On which weekday India got independence? India got freedom. So like this, they may ask. So what we have to find? Weekday name we have to find. On which weekday India got independence? So Independence Day date is what? 15 August. Okay, for this date we want to find weekday. For example, if you want to know today's weekday, what we write here? Select to care of sysdate, comma, dy or day we write. Okay, from dual. So what it returns today is Tuesday. So what it returns? TUE it returns. So in the same way, we want to find the weekday of 15 August 1947. So to find the weekday of 15 August 1947, what we write? Select to care of 15 August 1947. We are giving. Okay, so from this, what we want to get? Weekday we want to get. So DAY or DY. DAY means full weekday name we will get. DY means short weekday name we will get from dual. Okay, if we write like this, what it gives now? It gives error. Why it gives error? First argument, it is expecting date, but we are giving string. What is the solution here? We have to convert it to the date. So this string we want to convert to the date. So to convert string to the date, which function we are using here? toDate. Okay, that's it. So this is the most common interview question: on which weekday India got independence? So how can you find this? Means simply you can use toChar function and toDate function. Observe here what we are writing. See, select toChar of, I'm giving 15 August 1947. Okay, so from this we want to get weekday. DY from dual we are writing. What it is giving? Invalid number it is giving, because this is what string. Okay, that string we need to convert to the date. So to convert string to the date, what we are writing here? toDate of that string we are converting to the date value. Okay, from dual. Observe now. So when, on which weekday India got independence? Friday. On Friday we got independence. For example, we want to find weekday name of Sachin's birth date. Weekday name of Sachin's birth date we want to find. So weekday name of Sachin's birth date. So on which weekday Sachin born? We want to find this one. On which weekday Sachin born? Okay. So select. So Sachin's date of birth is 24 April 1973. Okay. So this one we want to find. Oh, So what we are right here? Select to care of to date of, what is the date? 24 April 1973. We want to get weekday name, so you can use dy or day, anyone you can use. I'm using day. Okay, from dl. So observe here, I'm copying this. Okay, sorry. See here what it is display. Sorry, just a minute, let me check. Sorry, where? After 1973? Yes. So to date function not closed here. So we are converting this date to the we are converting this string to the date, and from this we are capturing day part. Last one is extra. Okay, so I'm copying this. See what it is displaying. So Sachin born on Tuesday. Okay, so like this we can find the weekday names. So these are the interview questions. Like this they may ask in the interviews. So they give some date and they ask how to find the weekday name. Like this they may ask. Okay, so in such type of situations, this to date function is useful. To convert string to the date, this function is useful. So this is about to date. To date function is over. Next function is to number. This to number function is used to convert string to number. So to convert the string to the number, we are using this to number function. Listen, and this number, this string must be string must be numeric string. For example, we are reading like this. So the syntax here is to number of, here we pass string, that string format we are specifying. Sometimes we use format. Okay, for example, see here, we are reading like this. See, so to number of, I am giving string as 1 2 3. Now here 1 2 3 is which type? String type. So what it returns now? 1 2 3. The string must be numeric string only. So string can be converted to the number. For example, I am writing like this. To number of, okay, ABC I am giving. So ABC is what? String. Okay, how can we convert this string to the number? You cannot. So that's why the string must be numeric string. So the string must be numeric string here. Otherwise, it cannot convert. So ABC is text. Text, how can you convert to the number? Okay. So 123.45. This is numeric string. 123.45 is the string. The string will be converted to the number. It returns 123.45. And sometimes it cannot understand the format. For example, we are writing like this. To number of, I am giving like this. So person salary is 5,000. $5,000 is his salary. Now, if you write like this, it gives error because it cannot understand what is this dollar. Okay, so that's why in such type of situations we have to tell the format here. So dollar 5000.00 is the string. In this, that dollar is the symbol, currency symbol. So which format we are using? L. L. Okay. And 5000, these are the digits. The next one is decimal place. Next one is 99. So like this we write. So now what it returns now? It returns 5000. This dollar 5000 string converted to the 5000 number. Dollar 5000 string converted to the number here by using which function we are converting to number. For example, tomorrow some data is there like this USD 5000.00. Now, if we write like this, what it will give now? Error. So we have to tell the format here. What is the format? Okay, currency name. So C 9, 999.99. Okay. So if you write like this, what it returns now? 5000. That's it. In such type of situations, this two number is useful. It is opposite to the 2 char. Today we discussed 2 char. This is opposite to that one. In the 2 char, we are converting number to the string. Here we are converting string to the number. So I'm showing it practically. Observe. See here. So select two number of 123 I'm giving. Two number of 123 I'm giving. What it is returning? 123. Sorry. Two number of 123 single quotes. So now this is which type here? String type. This string will be converted to the number. See, this is number. Here 123 is the string and this 123 is the number. String converted to the number by using which function? To number. For example, we are giving 123.45 here. This is the string. The string will be converted to the number. It is returning 123.45. This is the string here. The string converted to the number. Now, for example, here $5,000 string is there. $5,000 string is there. I want to convert to the number, but it is not understanding what is this dollar. That's why it is giving error. In such type of situations, we have to use the format here. So we have to tell the format, that is dollar is the currency symbol. So write L. Okay, 5000 means 4 nines, 4 digits dot 99. What it is returning? Observe here, 5000. Here this dollar 5000 is the string. That string converted to the number. Next, for example, here we are giving USD and 1000 separator. Okay, so generally string cannot hold this commas and names. Number data type cannot hold names and commas. Okay, so this string we want to convert to the number. So USD is what? Currency name. So write C 1000 separator we want and comma. Okay, so observe here what it is returning? 5000. We are telling this format here. Comma means 1000 separator. USD means currency name. Like that, we are telling the format. So that's why it is converting to the number. So this is about conversion functions. All conversion functions are over. See here, there are three types of data. One is date type data. Another one is string type data or character type data. Character type data or string type data. Okay, and another one is number type data. There are three types of data is there. 4 types of conversions are there. If we want to convert this date value to the string, which function we have to use? 2char. If you want to convert the number to the string, which function we have to use? 2char. If you want to convert string to the date, which function we have to use? ToDate. If you want to convert string to the number, which function we have to use? To number. That's it. This is about conversion functions. So important conversion functions are over. Next category, third category, math functions, or you can say them as the number functions. Okay, see here, I'm giving the list of math functions provided by the Oracle SQL. Some important math functions I'm giving. Okay, see, to find the power value, it is providing power function. To find the square root value, SQRT function. To find sine value, sine function. Cos function. Tan value, tan function. To get absolute value, ABS function. To get remainder value, mod function. Okay, to get to check sign of the sine function. Okay, next, seal function, floor function, trunk function, and round function. So these are the important mathematical functions. Among these, last four are important. Last four, and sometimes we use mod also. Last five. These last five functions are important. These five are important. These are useful. Remaining are not that much useful, because in Oracle we are performing database operations. For database operations, these functions are not that much useful. Okay, so now very simple, by with function name you can guess, you already know. So directly I'm explaining. Okay, much explanation is not required here. Directly I'm typing here. Observe. So first function is what? Power. Why we are using this? Is it to find power value? So to find the power values, we use this one. What is the syntax here? Now, power of pass one number, and second argument is power. For example, if you want to find 2 cube value, what we have write here? Power of 2 comma 3. What it returns? 8 it returns. For example, we want to find 5 cube value. What we write? Power of 5 comma 3. What it returns? 125. So like this, we can find the power values by using power function. Next function is SQRT function. Okay, why we use it? It is used to find square root values. So to find square root values, we are using it. The syntax is, what is the syntax? Oh, SQRT of pass one number. For example, we are writing like this: SQRT of 100 we are giving. What it returns? 10 it returns. Okay, SQRT of 81 we are giving. What it returns? 9 it returns. So this is SQRT function. Next, sine function is used to find sine values. Next, cos function is used to find cosine values. These are the trigonometric functions, not that much useful. Next, tan function is used to find tangent values. Okay, for all these syntax is same. Okay, we specify the angle here. So for sine function, what is the syntax here? Sine of angle we pass. For cos function, what is the syntax? Cos of angle we pass. But this angle we must specify in the form of radians. Angle we must specify in the form of radians. So angle must be Angle must be specified in the form of radians. Okay. For example, we want to find sin 90. What we have tried? Sin 90 into 3.14 by 180. 90 is what? Decrease value. To convert decrease value to the radians, what we are doing? We are multiplying with 3.14 by 180. So 90 degrees value, we are multiplying with 3.14 by 180. It returns sin 90 value. For example, if you want to find cos 0 value, what we write here? Cos 0 into 3.14 by 180. If you want to find tan 45, we write tan 45 into 3.14 by 180. So like this, we can find sin cos tan values. Next, ABS function. ABS function is used to get absolute value. Absolute value means so absolute value means non-negative. Used to get absolute value. Absolute value means non-negative. Absolute value means non-negative. So to get non-negative value means always positive it gives. So the syntax here is ABS of number. For example, we are writing. For example, we are writing ABS of 5. What it returns? 5. For example, we are writing ABS of minus 5. What it returns? Again 5 only. So even if we give positive value or negative value, always it returns positive value. That is called absolute value. Okay. Next function. Oh. Okay, sin function. Sin function is used to use it to find sign of the number. Use it to find sign of the number. It can be used to check whether the number is positive or negative or zero. Whether the number is positive or negative or zero. For example, the syntax here is sign of. We pass number here. Okay. For example, if we write sign of 20, what it returns? 1. If positive, it returns 1. Sign of minus 20 I'm giving. What it returns? Minus 1. Sign of 0 I'm giving. What it returns? 0 it returns. So if the number is positive, it returns 1. If the number is negative, it returns minus 1. If the number is 0, it returns 0. Okay, so this is about sign function. Next mod function. Mod function is used to get remainder values. Mod function is used to get remainder values. So if our requirement is getting remainder values, we can use this function. In CR Java, there is modulus operator, but here there is no modulus operator. Mod function we have to use. So the syntax here is mod of pass number and divisor. First one is number, and second one is what? Divisor. Divisor we are passing. So for example, we are writing like this: mod of 5, 2 we are writing. What it returns? 1 it returns. For example, mod of 20, 7 we are writing. What it returns? 6. 7 to 14, remainder is 6. So like this, to get the remainder value, we use mod function. I'm showing all these things simply here. See, select power of 2, 3 we are writing. What it returns? 8 it is returning. Okay, I want to find square root of 100. So select SQRT of 100 from dual. What it is returning? 10. Select sin 90 into 3.14 by 180 from dual. What it is returning? See, 0.99 something it is giving. Okay. Next, I want to find cos 0. What we have tried? Cos 0 into 3.14 by 180. So what it is giving? cos 0 value it is giving 1. So like this we can find sine values, cos values, tan values. Next, ABS function. ABS of 5 I am giving. What it returns? 5. 5. ABS of minus 5 I am giving. What it returns? 5 only. From dual. Observe here. Both are returning 5 only. Observe. So positive value you are giving, positive value it is returning. Negative value you are giving, then also positive value it is returning. Always we will get positive value here. Next, sine function. Okay, sine of 20 I am giving. What it returns? 1. Sine of minus 20 I am giving. What it returns? Minus 1. So sine of 0 I am giving. What it returns? 0. From dual. Observe here. For 20, 1 minus 20 minus 1 0 0. It is returning 1 means positive, minus 1 means negative, 0 means 0. This is sine function. Next, mod function. Select mod of 5 comma 2 I'm giving from dual. Observe what it is returning? 1. So now you know all functions except last 4 functions. So these 4 functions we discuss in the next session. These 4 are important, so we need to spend some time here. So that's why these 4 functions I explain in the next session. So seal, float, trunk, round. These functions we discuss in next session. So and also we discuss about aggregate functions. So next category, aggregate functions we discuss. Next, date functions are there. Date functions also we discuss. Okay, thank you everyone. See you tomorrow. Happy birthday.